And so friends, after a successful weekend of trading, I want to do this session and earn some money. A couple days ago I read a story about how one of the traders made a lot of money in a few days. Honestly, all these commentators were shocked because his starting capital was only $10. Yeah friends, I don't know how, but $10 is turning into $100,000. People are already discussing testing that strategy. Someone says it's fake, someone says it's real, but I decide not to waste time. I also want to try to earn thousands of dollars without resell. So today we're gonna test this strategy together, right? I hope it will be useful. Let's go to the configuration and set up the both indicators to use that one. Okay? So let's do this together. Go to indicators. All right, let's select CCI and Cadmore channel. All right, right now, let's use 25, 15, 1, and style. I like to use yellow, 2 on thickness, just select the middle, all right, and just save that one, change to white on background. Right now, CCI. Let's change this to 15 on period and select style. Yellow, 2 on thickness. Alright, white. I want my step to look beautiful, so I do everything for myself. I want to trade comfortably and in general friends, everything is ready to start. Let's try to then find a good entry for us, okay? All right, so right here we got good opportunity. We have our first candle on the side of the channel. So this is the secret, okay? And we got the line showing for us that is a downtrend. So let's try to perform this entry. Click on the sell button, right? I use for 100. And let's use the time frame in 2 minutes and time on 2 minutes. Click on the sell button, okay? So look this and pay attention. We got our timer right here, the countdown, okay? You can use this as a base. Just go to indicators and enable timer, right? Using the M2 to time frame and 2 minutes, all right? Right now, let's wait for this one. I will back soon for the results. All right, guys, 10 seconds remaining. Let's see what's happening with this one. 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, we got this $906, guys. Our first entry. That is amazing, okay? So we have our first candle and our second candle. This is very important to remember, okay? We have our channel, the both lines. So when it gets candle that's crossing outside of my channel, this is the opportunity that we need to find, all right? So right now, I will try to identify another entry, okay? So let's do together. Whoa, look at this, guys, another opportunity in the same way to a downtrend, okay? This is our first candle trying to outside of our channel. We got a crossing line under our CCI. This is the opportunity to click on the sell button, okay? Let's wait for this, all right. So look this, guys, we got the line outside of the channel, okay? We have a downtrend, so this is very important for us, okay? This is the 2 secret that I have on this strategy. Is the line, all right? And when the first candle just go outside of our channel, we have our first candle and our second candle. Even you need to click on the button on the second candle, okay? So now let's wait for these results. I'm back in soon.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Alright guys, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you got another $906. Okay, that is so amazing. Our second entry, alright, is the same thing. We need to pay attention in the boundaries of our channel, the both lines, okay? When you can use this for an uptrend as well, okay? So let's try to then find the last entry for today. I then find this opportunity that means for us an uptrend, okay? 10 seconds to perform this entry. Look this, our first candle outside of the channel. We got the line outside of the channel as well, and click on the buy button. Okay, our first candle and the second candle is the same thing, all right? The line outside of the channel above the 100 line, okay? Look this, it's also amazing, man. Right now, let's wait for the results. I will be back soon. Ten seconds remaining, guys. Look this. Another entry that you're gonna win. Look this. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, $1,344, guys. I can say for sure that this strategy is ideal for intraday trading. If I often show your risk strategies for quick earnings, then that strategy can become your assistant for every day. If you distribute the balance correctly, gain experience, do not take risk and look for only the best situations that you got on this video, a strategy can give you very cool results. The statistics of this trading strategy, this trading meta is 7%. That means that out of the top 10 situations, 7 or 6 trades can give you profits. But always remember that even top strategies can cause losses. If you have less money, then you need to pause. Maybe change currency pairs or maybe wait another day. So always be ready for anything, even losses. Okay? Write our comments, guys. Write our results. I think it's what's useful for us. It's very interesting for me. I wish you more profits, wish you good trading sessions, and wish you good luck and see you soon. Bye-bye.